when you put in a lot of hard work, you see the results, what's happening, and really people have not fully voted for a change. And I really thank the people who have voted for me, because trust me, we've not exchanged any money, and I respect those voters who have voted for the change. But in the end, as much as we want something to happen, it doesn't happen. But as a common citizen, you'll all know me, and my work will still continue. And we will always, work hard for the people of Goa. Come what may. In Talegaon also, though I belong to the Panchayat, I'll always be part of the Gram Sabha, raise issues up, because this is our right. We have to do as what is right as citizens. And winning and losing is not in our hands. It's what people want. So I congratulate whoever's going to be, the winning candidate. And please, whoever wins in Talegaon, please work hard for the people of Talegaon. Please don't spend money last minute for elections, and don't show your face for the next 5 years. Humble request. People deserve better. That's all. Thank you very much.
What went wrong?
It's, before elections, what happens. Money is being shelled out. People are still hoping that we will give them a chance. And if you see our previous MLA's manifesto, she has not fulfilled a single thing. And, it's disappointing that, she's in the leading right now. So I just wish the people of Talegaon all the very best. And I thank whoever voted for me. God bless you all. And my fight for a good governance will always be there. God bless. Thank you.
Symbol didn't help you. Symbol.
It's not about symbol. If the amount of hard work that I've been doing on ground level, if it's not been appreciated by many, my work will continue. That's all that I can say. So let's hope for the best for Goa.
Because of money, you think you have lost?
Of course, it shows up clearly. Because I have not spent a single money to buy any vote. That's about it. Thank you everyone. God bless. All the best.